Dear learners, I welcome you to the 12th module, that is Introduction to Electrician Trade, of the online course on electricity and electrical wiring. I am Dr. Sandeep Bordole, Associate Professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering, Girjananda Chaudhary University, Guwahati. The module 12, which is the last module of this course, is divided into two sessions. The first session is on electrician trade and the second one is on responsibilities and training of an electrician. In today's lecture, we will discuss on the electrician trade. The objective of this lecture is to understand the role of electrician trade, its market prospects, and the training needed to be a qualified electrician. So, by the end of this lecture, you should be able to identify the process of taking an electrician trade as a career and recognize the process of graduating as an electrician. So, let us begin this lecture. So, who is an electrician? An electrician is a skilled professional who specializes in the installation, maintenance, and the repair of electrical systems in buildings, in transmission lines, stationary machines, and related equipments. Electricians may work on the installation of new electrical components or maintaining and repairing existing infrastructure. Electrician training programs typically emphasize construction or maintenance, though many electricians are proficient in both areas. Their expertise includes installing wiring systems in factories, businesses, and new homes, maintaining and upgrading existing electrical systems, and repairing electrical equipments. Let us understand about the electrician trade course duration. Normally in India, the professional level ITI electrician trade is a 2-year diploma course with 4 semesters. It is a NSQF level 4 course under the Craftsman Training Scheme, in short CTS. The electrician trade syllabus provides the knowledge of electrical system and repairing of electrical equipments. The following domains gives the candidate with an idea on the subjects: professional skills, which is normally the trade practical; professional knowledge, which is normally the trade theory; workshop science and calculation; engineering drawings; employability skills. So the prospect of electrician trades is very high. Electrician is a demanding career. The electrician can work in both government and private sectors. The career option is very high for electrician trade. The candidate will be able to pursue higher education like bachelor's level or any other higher qualification in India or abroad. Furthermore, one will be equipped to start his or her own business in the same field. The electrician trade in India is emerging much faster due to the ever-growing demand for the electrical system. The tasks performed by electricians were simple earlier: laying of conductors, service connections, installation, fitting of energy meters and main distribution boards, switches, lights, fans, installation of earthing were the common tasks frequently electricians had to perform in domestic wiring works. Now the task has become more challenging and demanding, as at the same time more rewarding and attractive also. House wiring plans, layout, and electrical diagrams are to be prepared. Related aspects like safety, type, and nature of its uses are to be considered. Now energy meters are digital. Panel boards with control switches and digital meters to show voltage, current, power, frequency, etc. are also installed. Several varieties of electrical breakers are replacing the old distribution boards. Changeover switches for generators, provisions for connecting inverters, voltage stabilizers, isolators, and uninterrupted power supplies or UPS are to be provided. Provisions are to be made for connecting air conditioners, coolers, greasers, heaters, water pumps, kitchenwares, etc. So good quality earthing for sophisticated household equipments like computers, etc. are also to be provided. These present-day requirements make the job of an electrician more challenging and rewarding. There are some good employment opportunities for professionally sound electricians. Public sector organizations such as National Thermal Power Corporation, in short NTPC, National Power Grid, Hydroelectric Power Corporation or NHPC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC, Oil India Limited, in short OIL, IOCL, Coal India, GAIL, SAIL, VAL, BPCL, HEL, HPCL, NALCO, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, Rural Electrification Corporation, NPCIL, THDC India Limited, POSOCO, that is Power System Operation Corporation Limited, NLC, EIL, NBCC, Power Finance Corporation, Indian Railways, Department of Telecom, BEML, Central Coalfields Limited, etc. recruit a good number of professionals of electrician trade every year. Factories and industries in both public sector and private sector also hire electricians. Hotels, hospitals, apartment flats, etc. also engage electricians on a regular basis. Firms and companies dealing with electrical products, materials and equipment appoint electricians. There is also a very good opportunities for self-employment for the competent professionals of electrician trade. One can start his own enterprise with minimum capital investment after acquiring necessary skills and expertise. An electrician gets ample work in the area he lives. This can be extended to other areas. A very good relationship with a number of households, including neighbors, can be a basis to start with, keeping regular contacts and then attending and solving day-to-day minor problems involving electricity. A knowledgeable and skilled electrician can undertake on contract basis house wiring jobs, maintenance jobs in hotels, offices, winding of motors, transformers, fan, etc., and assembling of electrical products and equipments. There are some other options like opening unit for assembling panels, workshop for repair and servicing of electrical hardware and equipment, machineries, etc., and dealership or agency of electrical products, hardware and machineries. Now coming on to electrician trade job specialization. The electrician trade job scopes are in various places where the candidates can apply for job after finishing the course. They are electrician, wireman, electrical machine operator, welder, instructor. For this, one can join the Craft Instructor Training Scheme or CITS in the trade for becoming an instructor in the ITIs, then supervisor after gaining experience, and technician. Let us also explore what are the employment opportunities in electrician trade. The electrician trade is one of the most essential and in-demand profession in the modern world, as electricity is the backbone of industries, residential complexes, commercial establishments, and infrastructure projects. Trained electricians play a crucial role in maintaining and developing electrical systems. After completing electrical trade training, candidates have a wide range of employment opportunities in both government and private industries. We can explore the various job prospects, career growth, and entrepreneurial opportunities available to trained electricians. Now, what are the government sector opportunities? Many government department and public sector undertaking recruit trained electricians for various roles. Some of the prominent government job opportunities include: number 1, power generation and distribution companies. Electricians can work in power plants, transmission stations, and distribution network managed by government organizations such as the state electricity boards that handles the power and distribution and maintenance in their respective states. Then the National Thermal Power Corporation, in short the NTPC, that works in power generation plants. We have the Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, in short VAL, that assists in manufacturing electrical components, and also the hydropower and the nuclear plants that maintains the electrical infrastructure. Then we have the Indian Railways. So Indian Railways recruit electricians for maintaining electrical systems in train stations, signaling systems, and traction power supply. The positions include railway locomotive maintenance, that is to ensure proper electrical functioning of trains; overhead wire technicians, that is to handle high voltage traction systems; and signal and telecom electricians, that is to maintain the electrical and communication systems. The public works and municipal corporations also require electricians for street lighting maintenance, electrical wiring in government offices and public infrastructure, and water treatment plant maintenance. In defense and aviation sectors, electricians can join defense services such as the Army, Navy, and Air Force to work on electrical systems in military bases, ships, aircraft, and submarines. The aviation industry also offers opportunities in airport electrical maintenance and aircraft electrical systems. In private sectors, the job opportunities includes a vast array of opportunities for trained electricians in industries such as construction, manufacturing, IT, and renewable energy. Some of the key opportunities includes the construction and real estate industry. So, the growing real estate sectors requires skilled electricians for electrical wiring of residential and commercial buildings, installation of lighting and security systems, maintenance of power backup solutions such as generators and inverters. Then manufacturing and industrial plants hire electricians to work on machinery maintenance and troubleshooting, industrial control systems and automation, electrical safety compliance in factories. In renewable energy sector, with the shift towards clean energy, electricians are in high demand for solar panel installations, that is, setting up of photovoltaic systems in homes and industries. Then in wind energy systems, that is, maintaining electrical systems in wind farms, and in battery energy storage systems, that is, in managing backup energy solutions. In IT and data centers also, they require electricians for maintaining uninterrupted power supply systems, in electrical infrastructure for server rooms and workstations, troubleshooting power-related issues in large office spaces. Then in electric vehicle industries, electricians are required for EV charging station installation and maintenance, that is, setting up public and residential charging stations. In electric vehicle maintenance, that is, in working on battery management system and power distribution in EVs. Electricians can also have a great opportunity for self-employment and starting their own businesses. Some potential entrepreneurial ventures include: number one, electrical contracting business. So after gaining experience, electricians can establish their own contracting firms to provide services such as home and industrial electrical wiring, electrical repair and maintenance, installation for smart home systems. Appliance repair and service center. So with the increasing use of electrical appliances, electricians can start a repair service for home appliances like refrigerators, washing machines, and air conditioners, and also industrial motors and electrical panels. In solar energy installation services, electricians can work to start businesses focusing on residential and commercial solar panel installations, maintenance and troubleshooting of solar power systems. In EV charging station setup, entrepreneurs can invest in setting up EV charging stations and providing maintenance services for electric vehicle infrastructure. Now let us try to understand about the career growth and advancement. Electricians can further enhance their career prospects by obtaining specialized certifications and pursuing advanced training programs. Some of the growth pathways includes: number one, advanced certifications. So electricians can obtain certifications such as certified master electricians to supervise large-scale electrical projects. Then industrial automation certifications specializing in control system and PLC programming. Then renewable energy certifications, that is, gaining expertise in solar, wind, and hybrid energy systems. Then higher education and technical courses also can be explored. That is, electricians can pursue diploma and degree courses in electrical engineering to qualify for higher paying jobs in design, supervision, and project management. They can explore industrial job opportunities with additional training and certifications. They can explore job opportunities in countries with high demand for electrical professionals such as Canada, Australia, and the Middle East. So, the electrical trade offers diverse employment opportunities across government, private industries, and self-employment ventures. With the increasing reliance on electricity in every sector, trained electricians will always be in demand. By acquiring specialized skills and staying updated with industry advancements, electricians can enjoy a stable and rewarding career with excellent growth prospects. Whether working for a government agency, private company, or starting their own business, electricians can play an integral role in powering the modern world. Now, coming on to the career progression. One can join industry as technician and will progress further as senior technicians or supervisor and can rise up to the level of manager. One can become an entrepreneur in the related field. One can appear in 10+2 examination through National Institute of Open Schooling (NOS) for acquiring higher secondary certificate and can go further for general or technical education. One can take admissions in diploma courses in notified branches of engineering by lateral entry. One can also join apprenticeship program in different types of industries leading to National Apprenticeship Certificate, or in short NAC. One can also join Craft Instructor Training Scheme, in short CITS, in the trade for becoming instructor in ITIs. One can also join advanced diploma, that is vocational courses, under DGT as applicable. So, what are the job roles of electricians? In general, the electricians install, maintains and repair electrical machinery equipments and fittings in factories, workshop, powerhouse, business and residential premises. They study drawing and other specifications to determine electrical circuit, installation details, etc. Positions and install electrical motors, transformers, switch gears, switchboards and other electrical equipments. Fitting and light fixtures. They make connections and soldiers terminal. Test electrical installations and equipments and locates faults using Megger, test lamps, etc. They repair or replace defective wirings, burnt out fuses and defective parts and keep fittings and fixtures in working order. They may do armature winding, draw wires and cables and to do simple cable joining. They may operate and attend and maintain electrical motors, pumps, etc. As an electrical fitter, they can fit and assemble electrical machinery and equipment such as motors, transformers, generators, switch gears, fan, etc. They can study drawings and wiring diagrams of fittings. Wiring and assembling can be made. They can collect prefabricated electrical and mechanical components according to drawings and wiring diagrams and check them with gauges, measures, etc. to ensure proper functions and accuracy. They can fit mechanical components, resistances, insulators, etc. as per specifications and doing supplementary tooling wherever necessary. They can follow wiring diagrams, makes electrical connections and solder points as specified. They can also check for continuity, resistance, circuit shorting, leakage, earthing, etc. at each stages of assembly using Megger, ammeter, voltmeter and other appliances and ensures stipulated performance of both mechanical and electrical components filled in assembly. They can erect various equipments such as bus bars, panel boards, electrical posts, fuse boxes, switch gears, meters, relays, etc. using non-conductors, insulation hoisting equipments as necessary for the receipt and distribution of electrical current to feeder lines. They can install motors, generators, transformers, etc. as per drawing using lifting and hoisting equipment as necessary. They do prescribe electrical wirings and connects to supply line. They can also locate faults in case of breakdown and replace blown out fuses, burnt coils, switches, conductors as required. They can check, dismantle and repair and overhaul electrical units periodically or as required to specialized procedures. They may test coils. They may specialize in repair of particular equipment, manufacturing, installation or powerhouse work and be designated accordingly. The scope of electrician trade. People and industries are consuming more power than ever before, which demands more electricians to install and maintain electrical systems. Hence, industries in a variety of work like electrical firms, part manufacturers, etc. are in need of skilled industrial electricians. Electricians, electrical fitters, technicians, operators are some of the common designation of a professional associated with the electrician trade. A professional of electrician trade has to perform technical and related tasks connected with the utilization of electrical energy, while at the same time ensuring safety, economy, and efficiency in the use of electricity. The task commonly and frequently entrusted to a professional engaged in the electrician trade can be broadly divided into the following categories. Number 1, installation. So the installation of service connections, control panels and switchboard, wiring, earthing, motor, transformer. Number 2, operation, maintenance and repair. That is the operation of machineries and equipment in powerhouses, factories and industries. Maintenance and repair of house wiring, electrical connections, maintenance, fault finding and fault rectification in electrical power distribution systems. Repair of electrical items, devices and the repair and maintenance of electrical machineries. Then number 3 is testing and measuring. This includes testing of electrical installations, household wiring, insulation testing, electrical resistance measurement, periodic testing and checking of electrical machineries. Calculation and distribution of loads are also based on test and measurements. Then number 4 is to study of electrical drawings and specifications. So these include preparation, study and interpretation of plans, layout diagrams, circuit diagrams, symbols and specification, etc. Number 5 is the estimating and specifying, that is preparation of estimates and specification of job and material and their specifications in terms of rating, quality, brands, etc. Number 6 is the design, manufacture, assembly and construction. So participation as a member of a team in designing, manufacturing, assembling and construction of electrical items, products or equipment in an organization like a factory or industry. Number 7 includes the record keeping, that is taking readings of meters and moving instruments and various quantities in the control room, powerhouse, industries, logbook maintenance, reporting faults, problems, etc. Other work includes the lighting and decoration in events like festivals, puja, marriage ceremony, etc. Rewinding of motors, transformers, troubleshooting of starters, demonstration of how to operate electrical machineries, device, practical training to newcomers to the profession. Now let us discuss on the electrician trade syllabus. The electrician trade training course is structured across 4 semesters with 5 subjects per semester. As a semester-wise program, trainee must clear examinations in all 4 semesters to earn the certifications. Aspiring candidates can familiarize themselves with the entire syllabus to excel in the program. The key components of the syllabus includes the professional skill, that is the trade practical. So this focuses in developing interpersonal and practical skill necessary for collaborating, sharing responsibilities, communicating effectively, and achieving common goals. Next is the professional knowledge, that is the trade theory. This covers subject matter expertise, pedagogical knowledge, and strategies to enhance understanding and learning process. Then we have also the workshop science and calculations, where a core component for building essential skills in engineering trades, focusing on calculations and scientific principles. Then there is the engineering drawing. It is a specialized technical drawing module that imparts knowledge of standardized language and symbols to convey precise manufacturing instructions for products or components. Then there is also the courses on employability skills. That is, it develops transferable skills that make candidate employable, including technical knowledge, effective communication, and teamwork skill aligned with employer expectations. Here is a table that depicts the distribution of training hours across various course elements during a period of 2 years as per the recommended syllabus of Craftsman Training Scheme of the Government of India, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Directorate General of Training. So here you can see that the professional skills has about 1000 hours in the first year and the second year. The professional knowledge content has about 200 and 300 course content hours. Then the workshop calculation and science includes about 80 hours per year, and the engineering drawing includes again 80 hours in both years, and the employability skills includes more than 100 hours in the first year and also about 80 hours in the second year. So one has to complete about 1600 hours in each years. After completing the 2 years of training of electrician trade, the trainees broadly need to demonstrate that they have the ability to read and interpret technical parameters, documents, plans, and organize work. They also have to process, identify necessary materials and tools. They also need to perform tasks with due considerations to safety rules, accident prevention, regulations, etc. They also have to abide to the environmental protection stipulations. They also have to apply professional skills, knowledge, and employability skills while performing jobs. They also have to check the job or the assembly as per drawings for functioning, identifying, and rectifying errors in job assembly. Then lastly, they have to document the technical parameters related to the task undertaken. So, in conclusion, we can say that the electrician trade is a gateway to a very versatile and rewarding career. It offers opportunities for technical mastery, growth, and innovation, and is ideal for individuals passionate about electrical systems and problem solving. So, we have come to the end of this lecture. So here we have discussed about who is an electrician, what are the scopes and employment opportunities of electrician trade, the job role of electrician trade, and a brief about the syllabus of electrician trade. Hope this has broadened your outlook on the electrician trade. Thank you.